Hello friends, today's video is on Andhra Chilli Chicken. Andhra Chilli Chicken is a dish that is served with a lot of spice in Andhra restaurants. It mainly uses green chilies. This is a dish that people who like a lot of spice in their curries will enjoy. Welcome to all friends to a new video of Chef Joji. Approximately a quarter kilogram of chicken has been taken to prepare this curry. To prepare Andhra Chilli Chicken, a pan was placed on the stove. When the pan was hot, 1.5 tablespoons of sunflower oil were poured into it. When the oil is hot, add the green chilies. 8 less spicy green chilies have been crushed well. Add that to it. Now mix it well and roast it. The water has now evaporated. At this time, add ginger garlic paste. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste is added to it. Mix it well again. Roast the ginger garlic paste until its raw smell is gone. Now add the required salt for this curry. Add 1.5 teaspoons of dark soy sauce. Mix it well again. Add the chicken that has been cut into small pieces and cleaned. Mix it well. Add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder to it. Mix it again. Now add the required water for the chicken to cook. Mix it well. Now cover it and cook it. After it boils, it should be cooked on a medium flame. After about 10 minutes, open it. The chicken pieces are now well cooked. At this time, mix 1 tablespoon of corn flour and 1/2 cup of water and add it to it. Mix it well. The amount of corn flour can be increased or decreased according to the thickness of the gravy. Now sprinkle the finely chopped coriander leaves on top. Mix it well again. No spices that are usually used in chicken curries have been used in this curry. The taste of green chilies will be dominant in this curry. Now Andhra Chilli Chicken is ready here. Andhra Chilli Chicken is an amazing curry for people who are used to eating spicy food. This is a curry that we can all easily make at our homes. I hope you all liked this video. If you did, remember to like, comment, and share. If you are watching this channel for the first time, remember to subscribe and follow the page. There are a lot of old videos on Chef Joji's YouTube channel and Facebook page, so try to watch them. So, a new video will be coming soon. Until then, bye-bye.